In the final months before the October ceasefire in Gaza, buildings and neighborhoods in Gaza City were destroyed by a devastating new weapon, armored personnel carriers, APCs, which were packed with explosives. As Israel's military pushed into the city in August, they turned old APCs into huge bombs, packing them with 1 to 3 tons of explosives and detonating them remotely. The result? Blasts as powerful as up to that of a 2,000-pound bomb. Israeli military and security sources say they used this weapon to level buildings allegedly booby-trapped by Hamas. Hamas denies rigging residential buildings with explosives or using civilians as human shields. Israel's military told Reuters it respects the rules of war and that it took extensive measures to mitigate harm against civilians and civilian infrastructure. The Israeli military told Reuters that the targets were reviewed before attacking and that the weapons used were selected to achieve a military objective while minimizing collateral damage. Here's how Reuters journalists documented the scale of destruction. We used a combination of on-the-ground reporting, satellite imagery analysis, video footage, and data from the UN and the US Crisis Monitoring Group, ACLED. It started with residents telling us about large explosions that felt like earthquakes. And witnesses described seeing military vehicles blow up, causing severe structural damage. Our Reuters crew on the ground documented and filmed remnants of these APCs, which we had experts examine. They explained how these explosions would unfold and how much they could destroy. And finally, satellite imagery analysis helped us understand the number of buildings that had been destroyed by airstrikes and APCs during this time.